Awesome morning changes. Today, the feedback I have got from you people, I wanted to share some of the insights regarding that. First was that if I make this kind of letter or that kind of letter, what it depicts and what it, whether it is a right way to write or not a good way to write. See, everybody has their own views. Their life is very different from others. You cannot compare your life with others. So, the way you are has different aspects of your life that cannot be comparable to anybody else. So, the way you write is exceptionally, amazingly different from others. There may be some changes which is required, but that this videos which I am giving you all, it's for generalized people. If you want your personalized therapies or transformation or letter structures to be taken care, do send us the handwriting sample of yours, and then we'll see whether it is going according to your situations or you want it to change it the way you want. Are you facing difficulty through some of the ways, or you want everything is going fine but you want still much more improvement in you? That can also be done. So instead of changing without knowing, don't change till you actually know what it tells, because it gives you the change in the mind, gives make you work in a different way, which your family, your people around you may not be relatable. They feel okay, suddenly you have started changing the way you talk, suddenly you don't respond, or suddenly you feel like, oh, you suddenly started behaving snobbish behavior. Suddenly there will be some changes which can occur, but others should not feel, oh, you have changed person, now you don't talk to us, now you don't like us. So that should not happen. Our motive of explaining and making this graphology is step by step process, just because first you have to be familiar of yourself, how you are right now, and then you see what changes are required, and step by step you go everything all together. You'll feel I am a changed person, but it has to seep in your mind every day. It has to occur without you noticing, like, oh, now I'm able to do without giving much concentration, much thought process towards it. Like we do brushing, we don't think at all, it comes naturally to us. So handwriting also needs to come naturally to us, but better structure also, when it comes naturally, then it gives you the power or the behavior, changed behavior which you require. So don't be in rush, because uh, you want to do everything at a stretch suddenly, now itself, now you I have to do it now, but that's not possible. Entire day has 24 hours, every hour has 60 minutes, every 60 minute, every minute has 60 seconds. So everything has some time, some duration, some limit that is required. So for everyone, every person, see, we have evolved from such a person. We used to be stay in jungle, we used to cut the stones, we used to make knives of wood. So from there we have evolved till here. It's a huge gap when we were there and till now. So still the process is going on. You cannot rush, like you cannot get the baby with before 9 months. Like 2-3 months, no, you take out the baby from the mother's womb. I don't want. That's not possible. You have to have that patience, and your body requires some time to adapt to new changes. When you are ready to adapt new changes, the changes will stay for longer period of time. That longer period of time makes you evolved, makes you better in each and every way. But do you have that much time? Are you ready to give little, just 5 minutes a day, write one alphabet, that's all. Just think this letter, if I am writing, is it giving me the correct result which I am expecting or not? If I am expecting the results which I am getting it, then it is fine. If you are feeling you're not getting the results which you wanted, then you change. Before that, no need. You are all well, all fine, all amazing person. Okay, so this was much needed, and I have to improve the quality of video in this. So I'm improving in that, and I'll give you much good quality videos from now on. For today, that's it, and next we'll continue and we'll meet for the next alphabet. Okay, till then, bye bye, and have a change, but bit by bit. That will give you much more impact for a longer period. Okay, chalo, bye.